Alright Zumar, you got a nice kit there, what is it?
It's a CiscoKids type thing kit. It's like based off this other kit.
And how long did it take to get here?
It took a very long time. And now it's finally painted.
So is it, the whole kit is paint matched with the car's color, right? Yeah, afterwards. That's it, that's all.
This is the CiscoKids Type B body kit for Toyota Cressida MX-83. Now, when Zumar ordered the kit, all the body parts came in primer, so nothing was painted. The front bar, the side skirts, and the rear bar. Now, the side skirts, all custom by CiscoKids to fit this car. I believe the style is based off a BEN or Origin Labo style, but this is labeled as his own style. The rear bumper, the side skirts, and the front bumper, all custom by CiscoKids. You would have already seen this front bumper on Instagram in previous posts, but now the entire kit is on and painted and you're seeing it for the very first time. So yes, the kit did all come primer. This part also wasn't painted. A very talented painter hooked us up here. He managed to paint match the side skirts and the bumper to the car's paint, as well as recreating the trim pieces from the original body cards onto the front and rear bumpers. So Zumar previously tried to paint the side skirts, but the color was incorrect. Although it was the same paint code, the paint match did not appear the same when the skirts were done. This time you can see that everything is color matched perfectly. You can see the repainted piece here that looks like the OEM trim piece. You can see here this is an actual piece, while this is just a part of the kit with paint on top. But the car looks super sick now. The car generally looks like a drift car, a body kitted car from the 90s, a 90s JDM car. It looks amazing. There is the CiscoKids Type B body kit. All links will be in the description for this kit. Now that the body kit is complete, the next thing Zumar is going to do is extend the exhaust out. It was already sticking out before with the old bumper, but with this one, we need to extend the exhaust out even more. The bumper extends the length of the car by a fair bit. It's about 5 cm out from the top and then another 5 on the bottom. So, we're going to have to extend it another 10 cm or so for another hue muffler sesh.
And I guess the wheels as well, is going to poke out the wheels now. He's going to buy VS, okay? VS KFs. Oh, BBS LM. Yeah, I'd rather get BBS LMs. But, yeah, that's the Cressida. That is the Cressida with the body kit. Oh yeah, Zumar just put this on as well. You got this straight from Japan. China, AliExpress. Hey, this guy's here.
Yeah.
You guys haven't seen this guy in ages.
Thank you. He's lost everything.
He's lost everything. His arc is coming, don't worry. His arc is coming, but we're not there yet. But that's the Cressida. You guys haven't seen a lot on the Cressida, but there is a lot of stuff coming. Zumar's working really hard on his he's working hard on his RB swap, 2J swap. 1J swap, sorry. Just Ozpost is really dicking us around. But yeah, the next videos on the Cressida, I guess, will be what's been done to the motor and the motor going in, all that stuff. But for now, that's the kit. Make sure to check our Instagram for a lot of cool pics. See you guys.